Hey, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Look at what we have here. This thing is stunning. This is a stunning and kind of rare car. This is a 66 Grand Prix 2+2. Is it Le Mans or Grand Prix?
Le Mans.
Oh, is it?
2+2.
Okay. If you say so. I thought it was a Grand Prix. I really did. I thought it was a Grand Prix with that grill. Okay, my correction. So it's a Le Mans, he's telling me. So it's a 421. And it's got the three Duce intake. I almost called that a 6-pack, guys. I'm sorry. It's got the 3 Duce intake on it. I had one of these years ago and I sold it for like $125. What was I thinking? That was back in the 80s though. Gas was real high. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Grrr. Angry. Car's angry, Steve. She's growling at me. It is beautiful, beautiful car. 2+2. Nothing about these old Pontiacs. They had the 8-lug wheels. Check that out. Beautiful black car, straight, clean. Automatic in the floor, console, bucket seats. Oh man, look at that. Let's see if we can get how the tail end looks. Backed up to the garage door, a little close. Man, look at it. Let's just step back and just look at the lines of this car. Man, that is something. That's downright sexy right there. Oh, man. Let's see if we can't get you some. If you guys restoring cars, get you a little bit of a time. I don't know how much of a time capsule this is, but it appears to be correct. It's not ready to cap it, but just like that Chevy we did a while ago, it's got the same kind of, no it doesn't, these are different battery clamps, I'm sorry. I don't believe the air cleaners are correct, but I don't think they are. Cool, interesting. Let's get you a look down the front side of here. I love that 421 badge, that is cool. Yeah, it's a little bit of a glare there. That's okay. Look at this thing, won't you? God, man, this thing just pushes my buttons. Oh, look at there, Pontiac Motor Division, TAC. Y'all see that? The glare. I can't help it, guys. I'm sorry. I'm doing the best I can. I got they got the radio. What's this to the left? Is that another radio? Is that an 8-track? What is that? Right there. Man. All right, folks. Folks, hope you enjoyed that video. Please hit that thumbs up for us. And like this video. And I'll tell you another thing you can do for us, because when you do that, it helps the algorithms quite a bit on the video. And if you could go down and watch 2 or 3 more videos and hit the like button on all them too. Now, we've been doing this for over 3 years. We've got over 700 videos on the channel. We have all kinds of car content. Car shows, collectors, private collections. We got some junkyard crawls. We got some rescue where we find an old car in the woods and drag it out. We got some racing cars, and we got some of our own cars that we race, and also some cars that we're working on. We do some videos where we show you how to fix a few things. So there's a lot of different content on it. So scroll down, find something you like. It's all different brands of cars, something for everybody on the channel. So it would really help us out if you could do that. And the channel, I've noticed the channel's been getting more views here lately. It's up about 16-17%. And the older videos are starting to get a few hits again since we started asking you guys to do that. So I appreciate you guys doing that for us. So thank you very much. And we're gonna get some more videos. So Bob out. Thank you.